Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to write your first Python program, a Hello World application. So to get started you will need to download Python, which will come with the code editor that we'll use, idle. It's bundled with Python when you download it from the official website. So first we go into our web browser and we go to python.org. Then we hover over downloads and then we say download for Windows, or you can obviously just click on it and then download the latest version for your operating system will appear here. So we download the latest version. And then we run it. Now, this is what I see. However, what you would see would be different. You would see a install thing. Essentially, you'll just want to keep all the settings on their normal values and then just like install Python. Then, what you want to do is you'll want to run idle, which you can find in your start menu. Then once you've done that, you will see the shell open. Now this is the main view that you get with Python, and this is where you will have all your code ran. So quite important. Now to create a new Python program, we'll want to head up to File, a new file, or alternatively you can do Control N to open a new editor window even. And what then we do to create the Hello World application, we want to type print, open bracket, close bracket, left arrow, 2 quotation marks, go left again, so our cursor is inside the bracket and the quotation marks, and then we want to type Hello World, exclamation mark. You can obviously replace this with any message you like, but for this example we will use Hello World. And to write your first Hello World application, that is all you need. All you need is this one line of code, and then you can click F5, which pops up a window saying source must be saved, OK to save. Then what you want to do is click OK. Then you can save it somewhere. I do recommend not naming the file Python. Choose a different name. So I'm going to choose hello world.py. py is Python's file extension. For example, .txt for text files, or .png for photos and stuff, etc, etc. Now, you couldn't actually see this, but when we just ran it, it pops up with Hello World. So if I do F5 again, it says Hello World, and so on and so forth. So every time that you do it, it will run it, essentially. So in this case, it prints the string Hello World to the shell. And that was the Python Hello World program tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!